Indians' affection towards fennel seeds needs no introduction. The seed spice dominates a variety of preparations, and India happens to be the largest exporter of fennel seeds, which is also called as sauf or badishep. A common practice in most of the Indian household is to have few fennel seeds post-meal as a mouth freshener. But if you are having fennel seeds only as mouth freshener, then think again, it's much more than that. Hello my foodie buddies, and welcome to the another episode of Unsung Hero of Kitchen, and this time it's fennel seeds, sauf or badishep. Fennel seeds possess several health benefits, and the flavor of these fennel seeds is so strong because it contains powerful essential oils. And besides its culinary uses, it also provides antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant properties as well. Let us understand fennel seeds from nutrition point of view. Fennel seeds are very low in calories, but they are the concentrated source of minerals like copper, potassium, calcium, zinc, selenium, iron, magnesium. Along with that, it also contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and some plant compounds as well. Let us learn 3 distinguishing benefits of fennel seeds, as we have kept on saying in every video. The first one is, as we say that it contains powerful essential oils, it basically contains 87 volatile compounds, including polyphenol antioxidants, rosmarinic acid, chlorogenic acid, quercetin and epigenin. And they are anti-inflammatory agents which helps in lowering the risk of various disorders, that is obesity, heart disease, cancer, neurological disease and type 2 diabetes as well. Almost 28 compounds are identified in fennel seeds, including anethole, fenchone, methyl chavicol and limonene, and they helps in combating free radicals and also protects us from various disorders. Second, fennel seeds not only adds a depth of flavor to recipes, but it also helps in curbing the appetite. So this compound called as anethole has anti-suppressing qualities, okay, so it helps in giving us satiety. At the same time, it also helps in fighting against cancer cells as well. Third point, fennel seed has been shown to have a galactogenic effect, so it is very good for women who are lactating, because anethole, which is present in this, is basically responsible for increasing the milk production in lactating mothers. Apart from that, it helps in digestion. That's the reason we have it usually post meals. Controls blood pressure, purifies blood, it acts as a coolant in summer, so you can start having it from today itself if you have not been eating this. Along with that, according to Ayurveda, it also pacifies 3 doshas, that is Vata, Kapha and Pitta. 1 teaspoon a day is enough, and you can have the roasted fennel seeds, or you can have them as it is, or you can add them into any preparations. They really taste good. And these fennel seeds have estrogenic properties, so they are good for menopausal women, but they are not advised to pregnant women because it can interfere with the fetal growth and development. So pregnant women should have it with consultation, or ideally should avoid it. Apart from that, people who are suffering from cancer, this can interfere with the cancer medication as well, so kindly consume it with right advice itself. Apart from that, any one of us can have these fennel seeds, and as we said, in moderation. Okay, we cannot have it just because it's a mouth freshener. 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon, 3 teaspoon. No, just 1 teaspoon per day is enough. And to reap the wellness incentives of this amazing herb, incorporate these dried fennel seeds into your daily regimen. That's all from my side this time, guys. Stay healthy inside out. Bye bye.